Hello guys, and welcome to my first video in the HTML and CSS course. HTML and CSS are the languages that developers use to make websites. And to do that, they use a notepad or a text editor to write their program. So if you are in Windows, you can also use Notepad, but it's not really a good notepad text editor for writing programs, so the best one is the Notepad++. It's available for Mac OS, Windows and Linux. So go to notepad++.org and download it. After downloading the Notepad++, open it and let's discover what do we have here. So we have a file tab here. We can create a new file, open a file, save as, and save. These are the main options and actions that you can do. So here are some of them here: new, open, save, save as. So these are the main actions that you can do and that you will use all the time. There is also an option that you will do in all your HTML and CSS programs. So you go to language and you choose HTML, but when we arrive to CSS, we are going to choose it. So go to language H and choose HTML. So let's start coding. Great. So every HTML code starts by doctype HTML. So if you ask me what is that, we use this text and this line to define the language which we use in our page. So because there is also another language, it's XHTML, but it's not really good. It's the same as HTML, but HTML is more better than it. So to define the language, just write this line. Great. So in the next line there is the HTML tag. So this is called a tag. Here is the syntax of it. A tag in HTML is written like this. And to close it, we write this. So we are going to do the same for the HTML tag. We are going to close it like this. And we are going to write the code between this and this. So now our page won't show anything, because we just wrote the very basic code to have at least something on your page. We will need two new tags: the head tag and the body tag. In the head tag, you give all the informations of your web page. It won't be shown in the browser, but you may choose the title here, set the icon, choose the characters, the character uniforms such as UTF-8 and many other things. So to set the character Unicode, you have to learn another tag, but this time this tag we don't close it. We call it orphan tag. So it's the vocabulary of HTML. We will use this tag a lot. It's the meta tag, and there we use an attribute or it's an option. An attribute is about an option, and more details about a tag. So you're gonna see. So meta is a tag. It has many options and many things that it can do. From those, it's to change the Unicode. So to do that, char set, character set, and you write equal, and you choose the Unicode. So the best one in my opinion is UTF-8. So if you choose another one, that will be not really bad, but I think personally that UTF-8 is the best one. Great. Now to set the title, we are going to use the title tag, and we are writing the title between them. So for example, I am choosing lesson 1, and that's all for our first course in the head tag. Let's go to the body tag. Well, if you want to write a text, you can easily write, I don't know, text, 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 and it will really work. So let's save it and see what it will give us. I'll save it as 1, and let's save it. I will open it. So to open it, there is a tab run, and you can launch it in your favorite browser. So very cool, you just created your first web page. Here we have the title and there's a text. But what if I want to write text in many lines? So let's try this. Text, text. Will it work? I don't think that's so. Look at here. So as you see here, we had a line break, but here the words are written in the same line. So what should we do? To do that, we will need a new tag which is called P. It's the initial of paragraph, and here we write our paragraph. For example, hello everyone, and I will write another paragraph where I will write goodbye. Let's save it. So it works really good. As you see, it's not in the same line. There is a line break, but there is a very big distance between the first line and the second one. So to fix that, we will need another orphan tag. This one is called BR. It's the two first letters of break, line break. Good. Let's save it and see the difference. So here's it, the distance when we use two p tags, and here there is a smaller distance. Great. That's all in which concerns paragraphs. Now we will learn how to do lists. There are two kinds of lists. The first one, we have in each item a point, and the second one we have numbers. So let's see. The tag number 1 is UL, and to create a new item we will need the I. tag, A and B. Let's save it. Oh, so sorry. I forgot the L is the LI. So I am really so sorry for this mistake. Let's save it and run it. So as you see, the UL tag is used to make lists where we have in each item point. But in CSS we are going to learn how to change it. And to have a list with numbers, just change the U with an O. Look at this. Great. But what will happen if we don't write the LI? For example, I will write a paragraph and you will see the difference. So only the LI's tags are called as items, and the OL will affect on them. So as you see, now let's see the last part of our video. The last part is about headers. So there are 6 headers: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. There is no H7 or H8. That's the limit. If you use H7, it won't work. It will be considered as a normal text. So let's write here an A, and the same here, 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 and let's save it now. You will see the difference immediately. So as you see, the H1 is the bigger than H2, bigger than H3, and like this. So I hope you enjoyed the video, hope you learned a lot, and I will do many videos in HTML and CSS playlist. So I hope you'll check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching again, and goodbye.